Good day, tool lovers. Today, I am excited to give you a step-by-step guide on how to take advantage of our price match program. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're getting the best deal possible on your tools. Step 1. Search for the same tool on competitor websites or in-store. Take note of the same model and brand. Step 2. There are two ways. First is through website link. Second, screenshot or screen grab the cheaper price of our competitor. For desktop, just click print screen, and for cell phone, screenshot or screen grab the cheaper price of our competitor. Step 3. Contact us or send us your screenshot file of our competitor's price. Step 4. Wait for our reply. Our team will review the information and confirm if the price match can be honored. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're getting the best deal possible on your tools. Once your price match is approved, proceed with your purchase. You'll enjoy the savings and the peace of mind knowing you got the best price. If you have any further questions or need assistance, our customer service team is always here to help. Hope to serve you soon, tool lovers.